Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve e-commerce solutions with Shopify Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your e-commerce solutions with Shopify Cloud, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various features available to you under the Apps section. Install the Shopify Cloud app to enhance your store's capabilities. Once installed, access the app and connect it with your existing store. Review the customization options available within the app. Consider using Shopify's built-in themes for a professional look. Select a theme that resonates with your brand identity. Customize the selected theme to reflect your color scheme and typography. Add product categories to streamline customer navigation. Upload high-quality images for all your products. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Set competitive pricing based on market research. Incorporate customer reviews for social proof and credibility. Ensure your store is mobile responsive for better accessibility. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords. Utilize Shopify's built-in SEO features to improve visibility. Set up payment gateways that suit your business model. Enable various shipping options to accommodate customer preferences. Utilize Shopify Analytics to track performance metrics. Monitor sales data and customer behavior to inform future strategies. Experiment with promotional strategies like discounts and bundles. Utilize email marketing tools to engage with your customers post-purchase. Regularly update the content on your site to keep it fresh. Test your store's functionality before launching to the public. Once satisfied, promote your store through social media and online marketing channels. After launching, continuously gather customer feedback for insights. Address issues promptly to maintain a positive shopping experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.